No. So since the video you're about to watch, I cleaned out the camper oven, and I'm not sure if I did it that night or whenever it was, but it's clean. So I wanted to show you the inside of the camper oven. After making several pizzas in the camper oven over the last month or so, it escalated to the point where some of the cheese dripped off the pizza at the bottom of the oven, and then started smoking. So it would smoke. The oven would smoke out the camper, so I'd have to open windows. But since then, I've cleaned it out, so let's take a look at that real quick before we go into the video that I'm about to produce, called Baking a Pizza. So right now on the stove I've got some wax melts. Turn it on for a second just to bring a good smell in here instead of having a wax melt can running on electricity. So the oven has been cleaned. Still got some warmth in here. The pilot light's still lit. I'm getting low on propane. It was all dusty before, but it's not anymore. I kept this in here just in case, because I have ants out here for some reason. They're still coming. So just a quick update. Yeah, all this stuff here has been pretty much cleaned. The black stuff has been scraped. It's just there still. So actually, that's the only probably drop that would be smoking up the camper. Last night was a test of it, and it worked out fine. No smoke. So pilot light's lit. Everything's been cleaned. So just wanted to update that in the meantime, that it made a big difference in the camper by cleaning out all the dust in the oven that's been in here for... What's up, YouTube? I'm in the camper. It is a Tuesday night, technically Wednesday morning. I worked until 11 p.m., so I've been hanging out in the camper for a few. Forgot to turn the fan off. But yeah, hanging out. I'm going to make a real video this time. Well, I don't know if it's going to end up being a real video or not. Work was good. Back tomorrow. And got the oven preheating in the camper, and I'm cooking some pizza tonight I picked up from Kroger. It was on sale for $2.88, triple meat, and it's a 16-inch pizza, I believe, which is a lot bigger than what I normally cook in the camper oven. So I'm going to show you it, and then I might review it, and then throw it in the oven right on the rack and just cook it. So let's check her out. So here it is, the self-rising crust pizzeria style taste to make it home. It was $2.88 at Kroger, and I was gonna buy the two family-sized little square Tostinos that I did in another review. Those were $1.25 each, so they would have been $2.50. So for 30 cents more, I got an actual circle pizza. Yeah, so that's basically it. Here's the nutritional facts if you want to read them. You pause the video, and then the ingredients also if you want to pause the video for that. But this is a triple meat, which is kind of weird because I didn't notice it till after I got it home. Got back to the camper anyway. It's a 3-meat pizza. It's sausage made with pork and chicken. So is it got chicken on it and pork, or is it 3 meat? Sausage made with pork and chicken. Pepperoni made with pork. Chicken. Oh. So, yeah, that's confusing as hell. So the sausage is made with pork and chicken. The pepperoni is made with pork. And then the chicken... I don't know. It's so confusing. Okay, so sausage made with pork and chicken. Pepperoni made with pork. Chicken. Beef and ground beef. So, there's basically pork, chicken, and beef. I don't know. That's what it is. Oven should be preheated. I'm about to open this up and throw it in there here in a second. Yeah. $2.88 for a medium-sized pizza. And everybody goes and gets those $5 pizzas. But, keynotes. Per 1/6 of a pizza. 340 calories, 4.5 grams of saturated fat, 820 milligrams of sodium, 5 grams of sugar. I guess the sugar's in the sauce, and there's a lot of sodium in this, so it's 1 pound of food, or was when it's frozen. Yeah. Alright, let's check her on out. Alright, so when you get the pizza, out of the box. It has this plastic wrap on it, which is cool because it has these two little slits right here. Easy to peel, and you just peel it open. I already went ahead and did the common courtesy for myself, and I basically reorganized the pepperoni. It was a disaster, pepperoni. So, turn off this fan for a second. Oh, I'm zooming on pizza. The oven needs to be cleaned, as you can probably see. It's got a little wear and tear going on in it. So, guess I don't know if I need to pull the oven rack out. It doesn't really matter. And basically, as you can tell how frozen this thing is, it's supposed to be some kind of self-rising crust. Oh, and it comes with a cardboard. I didn't notice. Pretty decently thick, I guess. So let's pop that in the center of the rack and give it a good 25-minute bake time. Set the timer on it and see how she turns out. And I'll probably save this cardboard for eating. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's check it out and give it the official. Well, first of all, can't complain about self-rising crust after what I've seen. Look at this thing. It rose. And it rose. Thick greatness. Deliciousness on both sides. The whole crust rose. All I need to do is include some garlic butter. But it turned out really good. 288. It's just like, compared to what the before and after, this is just ridiculous. So I'm about to cut this pizza up and review with my official review. It's thick all the way around. Go Kroger. Apparently, let's see how it tastes. Alright, I got some of the pizza cut up, and I like the crunchiest piece, so I'm going to try that out first. As you can tell, these are all cut into fourths, and these two are cut into cut in half. So let's give a test of this here pizza. Couple pepperonis, looking really crispy around the edges. The bottom, the way I like it. Try it out. Kroger Pizza, $2.88 official review. Just the triple meat. Oh, it's crunchy. It's hot. My first interpretation is there's a lot of bread, a lot of dough. It's crunchy. For $2.88, I can't complain. Sauce is sweet. The pepperoni is very, very tangy. It's pretty good. Very good. The only thing I really got out of it so far was just the pepperoni alone. Maybe we'll get a bite of this sausage here on the side. Very hot still. Let's take a bite of this with the crust here on the end. Show the crust. Believe me, I'm taking the rest of this shit to work tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna give this a about 3 out of 5. The crust has no flavor at all to it at all. It's the same all the way through. Yes, the crust is a little more crunchier, which I love. That's why I'm giving it the 3 out of 5 review. It's just like they didn't season it with anything really. That would have made a big difference. But for $200 or $2.88 at Kroger, I can't complain. So, but the sauce is sweet, and overall, pretty good. I'll probably actually give it a 4 out of 5. Yeah, I'd give it a 4 out of 5. We give it some garlicky butter crust, but other than that, 4 out of 5. $2.88. I mean, I got a full stacked pizza here, so pretty good.